So in COVID-19 situation, अगर COVID-19 situation की अगर हम बात करें, आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Single finger tip पे आपको हर information available होगी. We are more than happy to help you out. Just because you all know this is government-aided institute, but we strongly believe, we strongly support empowering women through skill development. That's the reason me as well as my entire team will be available 24/7 for you. Right? Those viewers, maybe a male candidate, I request them, join us, not in a college, join us in our mission, empowering women through skill development. Share this video. So that's all from my end. So over to you, Madhura ma'am. Anything else you expect from me?
No, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Now that sir has talked about admission, and for our viewers' benefit, I would request Shirley Thompson, madam, our senior lecturer in selection grade, our who teaches commerce-based subjects in a Department of Administration Services, just to give very basic tips about this admission procedure this year, because students have little queries and they are little scared for online submission of forms and all. So if you can just give them few steps that they can follow for taking admissions.
Thank you, Madhura. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So first of all, our process of admission is online. Or the viewers who are interested in applying must go to the website www.dtemaharashtra.gov.in 2020 or poly20.dtemaharashtra.org diploma 20. The third point is that when you open this web page, you have to click on post SSC diploma and then register. The candidate has to register with her mobile number, password, email ID, and then she will get a DN number which she must remember for further steps. Now this time we've got two options as far as filling the form is concerned. One is called e-scrutiny, which is totally online. You do not have to come to our college and fill the form. You can do it at home. So for e-scrutiny, you will have certain steps to follow. They are all user friendly. In case you have any doubts, you can call us. My number is also given in the brochure. The second option is physical scrutiny, where if you have difficulty, then you'll have to choose a time slot and a date and come to the college on that date and at that time, and we can help you to fill in the form. This is if you have difficulty in e-scrutiny. The fourth important point is that it's very important to have your documents ready. Those who've passed out of SSC in 2020, you do not have to worry about your SSC mark sheet or your leaving certificate, because SSC mark sheet is it is online and it automatically falls into our Dropbox. Okay, leaving certificate definitely and SSC mark sheet must be submitted later in the hard copy to our college if you are joining our course. Among the other important documents for your nationality, birth certificate is recommended, and leaving certificate is also an option, but since you don't have it right now, you can upload your birth certificate. Or if you have a domicile certificate, you can upload your domicile certificate. Then, of course, if the candidate has done intermediate grade drawing exam and passed it, then that document also has to be uploaded. For those children who are in the reserved category, we have got separate categories. For each category, certain certificates and documents are required. For SC, caste certificate is important, and there is no need for validity this time, only caste certificate. It has to be made in the proper manner. For ST, the tribe certificate, that is the caste is recognized under backward class, that has to be mentioned. Then, of course, for the other groups like VJ, Nomadic Tribe, SBC, OBC, the caste certificate and non-creamy layer certificate valid up to the next financial, that is March 31st, 2021. These two have to be submitted. For those who are applying for economically weaker section, they must have an eligibility certificate showing the income limit to be less than 8 lakhs per annum.
Okay.
This has to be signed by the Tehsildar or the subdivisional officer or the deputy collector as whoever is the appropriate authority. The last one is TFWS seat, tuition fee waiver scheme seat. For this, the annual income certificate of the parents must be submitted and the limit is less than 8 lakhs. Again, this has to be a proper income certificate. You should not submit an income certificate made by the Nagar Sevak or Nagar Sevika. Okay, so because
Yeah.
for verification, then the particular form will be returned to you. So these are the important things to be remembered, and the process is very easy. You keep going step by step and you will be guided on the particular computer, on the particular website itself. You'll be guided. In case you need further guidance, you can always contact us and we will help you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I think this was very valuable information as far as admissions are concerned, and we will display this information on our FB page as well. The script of this information we will display and we will circulate it in our groups as well. If you have any further, yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. If you have any further viewers, if you have any further inquiries, please get in touch with us. We will be more than happy to help you. So with this, I would request, I hand over this session now to Asavari madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Asavari ma'am, over to you.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. So on behalf of the Department of Administration Services, I wish to thank all the viewers for joining with us today. For then, I would like to thank Forum, Kruti, Jenny, Henal, Avni for taking out time for us from your busy schedule. Respected Principal Sir for his support and guidance, Department Head, Varsha Jain Madam for initiating this activity, and my team members of DS for their creative and technical contribution and participation to execute today's event. So we would also like to inform everyone that the next series will be Interaction with the Alumni with batch 2015-18 is on 15th August, 5 p.m. same time. So see you all on 15th August. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
for being there with us. And thank you
you.
all, dear alumni. And look
Thank you
forward
so
to seeing you as early and as quickly COVID will allow us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.